Hi, my name is Monika Kalenski and I'm the President and CEO of MEK Magnet. I started MEK Magnet to create the highest quality removable graphic trail armor that protects your Jeeps from scrapes and scratches when off-roading and also from wear in key areas. I personally came up with MEK Magnet Removable Trail Armor after permanently damaging and scratching my brand new Jeep in the trails. Made from heavy-duty ballistic resin with nano-hold technology, MEK Magnet Removable Trail Armor protects your Jeep from nasty brush and tree scratches. Our kits are easy to install and can be removed and installed again and again with just a little basic maintenance. We create kits for Jeep Wrangler TJ through JL and Jeep Gladiator JT. We have both magnet and adhesive-based kits that accommodate Jeeps with steel and aluminum body types. If you don't see a kit that suits your style, we can definitely create a custom kit for you. We have several different graphic styles to choose from in both magnetic and adhesive-based trail armor kits. We have kits for almost every type of Jeep, from Wranglers to Gladiators. Installation is easy and simple. Start by thoroughly cleaning the area of application, removing any dust or debris. Remove the armor kit from the packaging by folding and gently pinching at the corner and peel out the panel. Handle by the panel edges as much as possible to avoid affecting adhesion. Align the armor kit panel with the corresponding area of your Jeep. Allow just the center of the panel to touch the vehicle to initiate adhesion or magnetic connection. Now press the center of the panel with a microfiber cloth and continue outward in a smooth fan motion in each direction to remove all air bubbles and creases to ensure proper bond all around. Repeat the process for each panel included in the kit. It's that easy to install your MEK Magnet Removable Trail Armor. Removal is just as easy. Whether you're an avid off-roader or just want to make your Jeep look cool, we've got a great kit for you. Protect your Jeep with style with MEK Magnet Removable Trail Armor. Check out our kits at mekmagnet.com.